Crane Prairie Reservoir is a man-made lake located about 42 miles (68 kilometers) southwest of Bend in Deschutes County, Oregon, United States. The reservoir is named for the cranes that thrive in its habitat and for the upper Deschutes River prairie that once covered the area before the dam on the Deschutes was constructed in 1922. 18 years later, in 1940, the dam was rebuilt by the Bureau of Reclamation. The reservoir now serves as one of Oregon's largest rainbow trout fisheries. The heaviest fish ever caught in the lake was a 19-pound, 8.6 kilograms trout.The Deschutes River, which originates at Little Lava Lake, flows south for 8.4 miles, 13.5 kilometers, to Crane Prairie Reservoir. The river leaves the reservoir via the dam and continues south to Wickiup Reservoir. See also: List of lakes in Oregon. References. External links. Media related to Crane Prairie Reservoir at Wikimedia Commons.